Curly concoctions, back to make the 4th day of Soapmas soap. Don't forget, in the description box is my social media accounts, a way for you to support my channel, all the supplies I used. Lastly, I have a P.O. box now, and the address is in there. Alright, let's make this 4th soap. So, next soap is Black Sea, and I'm just going to decorate it with this. This is supposed to be navy blue. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be a little bit lighter than that. And I'm not adding any other colors, I'm just gonna try and texture the top a little bit. Since I'm only using the one color, I'm just going to add my color right to my batch. This is one of my eBay micas. I'm also going to add my fragrance oil straight to this batch before I put the lye water in. Now that my micas and my fragrance oil is all mixed together, I'm going to add my lye water with a little bit of sodium lactate in it. And time to buzz it up. Actually, that is quite a navy bluish color. I would be interested to see what it would look like if I had pigmented it just a little bit more. Just pour in the blue in. I'm gonna try and bang it down a little. I have to turn it, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm gonna let this one set up a little bit before I texture it. I think this is set up enough for me to start texturing it, so... I'm gonna turn it from its side so I see if I like that. I didn't do a whole lot. Just trying to add a little bit more texture. Alright, so that one's done. Next is the Black Sea soap with the wavy pattern on it. So, just like that. Try to get you a profile so you can see it from that way. Maybe we'll try it with another brush. There we go. Get a better idea of what it looks like from the side. And this is the last bar, the Black Sea soap. This is just a soapy fleck. But I really like how these came out. I really like this color blue. That's a little cut end piece. And that's the Black Sea soap. Maybe a little basic and straightforward, but I like how it turned out. That's such a pretty blue color. I've got more of this Black Sea fragrance, so I might actually try something different in the future. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Also subscribe and all that jazz. I'll see you tomorrow for the final day of Soapmas.